What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Picasso Carmichael here, and I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. Now, today's video was inspired by my boy Security29, who requested that I do a review of my medical kit. So as an added bonus, I will also be showing you guys my range bag and also what I keep in these items. Shout out to my boy Security29 up there in Canada. He's been battling some medical ailments for a while, but he's a trooper. Okay, so this is my range bag. It is a Vertx. I love the Vertx bags. They're really high quality and they've definitely been with me for a while and stood the test of time. Okay, now this is an overview of my Vertx bag here, and I always keep these little things just as references. And here's another little piece of paper that came with it, showing the dimensions and stuff on there. So this bag is 22 inches in height and 14 inches in width and 7 inches in depth. So if you guys take a look at this bag here, let's look at the top first. You can see that you have some really sturdy zippers right here with the Vertx logo on them. Also, you have a little top pocket right here that just zip opens, and in this pocket here, what do I have in here? Just have some documentation from a Streamlight, little Allen wrench there, and I have a, this is actually a bore sight laser zeroing tool. I've never actually used this, but this is a Bushnell bore sight zeroing tool right here. What else do I have in here? This is my bag dump. I have some Surefire ear protection. You know, in the Army, in the military, they call these Ear Pro, anything that protects your ears. The military, for some reason, just have all these extraterrestrial, you know, ways of referring to everything. Next, we have this little opening right here, which also has some really sturdy zippers, and this entire thing just zips open here. So here you have some Velcro molly, as well as tons of other mollies where you can put stuff like pens, utility knives, pocket knives, wrenches, gun tools, whatever you need. You can put a lot of that stuff here. You also have this little strap here on the front. You probably maybe hang some keys or something to this strap right here. And this is a really tough, strong, water resistant material that this bag is made of. I don't know exactly what the material is, but I can tell you that it's pretty strong and sturdy. And if you guys have ever bought or used Vertx products before, you know you're dealing with the best and top quality. You know, this bag alone I paid like almost $200 for. So it's a little pricey, but it's a one-time purchase for me, and I've had it for a long time. Okay. You also have some Velcro here at the bottom where you can put a couple of patches here. So as you guys can see, I have a couple of patches here myself. So okay, let's now look at the side view here. If you look at the side view here, you have a couple of pockets as well. You have a little side pocket, and this pocket here opens up. And in this side pocket, for me, I have some wet wipes that I keep in here. What else? I think that's it. But you have a couple little pockets here, some little slots. You can probably put, like, I don't know, pens or something in. Another little pocket here where I have the wet wipes, and then there's an even deeper pocket behind that pocket. So you've got quite a bit of storage. Also, you have this zippered pocket right in here where you can also add more items. So if you're looking for something with storage, you're definitely not gonna go wrong with this purchase. This is actually a meshed pocket. So whatever you put in there, you'll be able to see it. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's a little better view of that pocket. Get you guys a little close up there, okay? That's what you have in that pocket. And for me, an essential is having a water bottle pocket, you know, somewhere where I can keep water because it's important to stay hydrated. So you also have this little pocket here, and you can tighten it using this little clip here. Let's get a better look at that. So you can tighten this and make it as tight as you want. Here, I just happen to have a gun tool in here. Take this with the range with me in case I need to zero a rifle. I have an adjustment tool. Now, if we go to the other side of the bag, it's the exact same thing going on here. You have the same pocket, okay, except on this one, so I guess it's not the exact same thing, except on this one, you don't have the multiple pockets here. You just have this one little insert here, and I guess you may be able to put a water bottle or something in there. Again, you also have your mesh pocket right here. And again, you have this pocket here. And in here, I have my Aplula speed loader. So if you guys are at the range and you need a way to quickly load your magazines, these things are priceless. So here's the bottom view of the bag. It's pretty heavily stitched. This bag will actually stand on its own. See that? Side view. It will stand on its own, okay? So now that we are here, let's take a look at the back. Okay, at the back here, you have some pretty solid straps. They're breathable with that mesh lining. Also have your Vertx logo right there. And lots of places where you can maybe clip like a flashlight or whatever you need there. Also have your locking straps right here, so if you're running or whatever, boom, you can just clip these together and make them as tight as you want to your body in case you're hiking or whatever you're doing. Okay, and you can see how this is breathable back here. Really comfortable material, really well made. See that right there. You also have your little luggage tag. So if you're using this as a carry-on or something, you have your little luggage tag right here. It also has some Velcro in here. It's pretty nice. Also in the back, if you look here, there's another compartment right here that zips all the way around. So you can use this as a range bag or just your regular everyday carry bag. So for me, I can just zip this baby all the way around and watch this. Boom, okay? And this is where I usually keep the firearms. There's a huge pocket here. So I usually keep my guns, and I can probably fit maybe 3 handguns back here or more, depends on how crazy you want to get with this. Also, with this material here, you can also attach like some Velcro holsters or whatever you may want to put back here. Vertx also makes like pouches and holsters that you can attach to this here. And you know, the entire thing has this material here, so you can like stick, you know, the loop part of the Velcro to this. And this is really sturdy, well-made material here. Now also right here, I just have this attached to this clip. This is where I keep my eye pro, you know, in the military, ear pro, eye pro, everything's pro. I don't know why, but this is where I keep my eye protection and the interchangeable lenses for it. I just keep it hanging right here. Now let's take a look at the main compartment. So to get to the main compartment, there are 2 zippers here. You're just gonna zip them open pretty much, and this bag opens all the way up. Okay, right now I don't have a whole lot in here right now, but I'll show you guys what I do have in here. Back here, I have some targets, some zeroing targets back here. Red dot zeroing targets back here. More targets. I love these splattering targets, by the way. I know you guys like these, right? Like these? Yeah, they're pretty cool. Look at that, I've got a Sharpie. It's important to have a Sharpie. You've got some even smaller targets. Oh, look at that. A 9mm Hornady round. It's randomly in there. So, got that. This is where I keep my ear protection, my ear pro for you military people, right? And here I have my Howard Light electronic ear protection, and I have them in the real tree pattern right here. I also have a range finder here. It's a Simmons range finder. I actually got this from Walmart. Also very important, very useful, I have a pair of binoculars. This Celestron pair right here. And these are pretty useful. You know, if you're shooting and you want to see where your rounds are impacting the target, instead of reeling it all the way in or going all the way to the target, sometimes it's good to have a pair of binoculars. Yeah, so lots of storage, guys. You have this pocket back here. I'll show you guys that I kept all my targets back here. You also have this little zippered mesh pocket that you can keep maybe some extra rounds or tools in. Just a very large compartment here. I usually keep the items I just showed you. If I'm taking my ammo, I used to keep my ammo in here when I'm going to the range as well. Also, just to show you guys the other side now, it almost looks like one of those over-the-door toiletry storage thingies. So here, you can put some magazines and maybe a couple of pens. I have a Glock magazine in here. It's just an extra magazine. What else? In here, I have some gloves. Always good to have gloves. In this compartment here, I just have some loose ammo. A bunch of loose ammo here, 9mm and 40 caliber ammo. Okay, so now to show you guys what's in my IFAK or my medical kit, okay? Now this medical kit is from North American Rescue, an awesome, awesome company, probably the best in the world. So let's start with the outside. Here you have a Velcro patch, and these patches come with the pouch. So when you order these, you can order the entire package. There's tons of different options depending on your need. If you're a first responder, if you're in the military, if you're just a regular person that just likes camping and outdoor life, or medical personnel, you name it, they have a kit for you, okay? I have several of their kits for various reasons, okay? But this one is the one that I usually keep with me most of the time, and I take it to the range with me. So here you have your Velcro front where you can just attach your patch or whatever. So when you open it, that's what it looks like. Show you what's in here. I usually have tourniquets laying around, so that's the reason why this one is still wrapped up and in plastic. Okay, so here I have a cat tourniquet. Behind that, you have a twin pack chest seal. So this is if you have someone or maybe even yourself with a sucking chest wound, you can use this here, and it's adhesive and it does the job and it will seal the wound, okay? Next we have the quick clot. Click clot. Talk about a tongue twister. Quick clot dressing, okay? And what this is going to do is it's going to stop the bleeding. You pack it in there and it kind of helps with clotting. It almost acts as a clotting agent, just like how your platelets come together and help with clotting. Well, that's what this here helps to deal with, okay? Next up in here, you have some gloves, okay? I always have gloves anyways. And behind that, well, just under that is your trauma dressing right here. So if you have a wound or something, you can just use this, put your quick clot in there, and you can just use this as dressing, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video, like this video, comment, share, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want a further in-depth review of any of the products that I showed you guys, just let your boy know. So until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video.